Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra. Let's get into your reading for the month of October 2021 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Sagittarius. So before I do the tarot reading, I want to do the astrological reading for you. So I'm going to look at the transits for the month of October 1st and October 15th. Okay, so these two dates are enough for you. In my readings. So on the October 1st, I'm seeing Saturn and Jupiter conjunction in the second house, Sun and Mars conjunction in the 10th house, Mercury and Venus conjunction in the 11th house, Ketu in the Ketu in the 12th house, meaning Rahu in the 6th house, Moon in the 8th house. So I'm seeing Sun and Mars in the 10th house. A lot of emphasis on career and your work. You're going to shine very brightly in your work. Everything in your work is going to happen smoothly. You have the capacity to fight any obstacle that comes at your work. Also, starting something on your own, okay, with regards to making money is also very good, okay, because Sun being there, it's like it gets the Digbala meaning directional strength in the 10th house, and Moon in the 8th house, meaning you're gonna definitely learn few hidden secrets, hidden knowledge, some kind of hidden knowledge you're going to get, and this will happen at the initial start of October, okay. Also some kind of emotional transformation will also happen, but not as much, because Moon, it's like 2.5 days, that's it, per sign. So still I'm doing Moon because it's different for different people, right? So even the small things can make a big difference for some people, depending on the moon placement, etc. We have Mercury and Venus conjunction in the 11th house, meaning definitely a lot of gains, a lot of money is gonna come for you, and you might actually own some kind of technological item also. You might purchase some new gadget or something like that this month. If this is happening, it will happen before 15th, or else it will not happen. For other people, there is definitely from the 1st till 15th there is some increase in money that there is something that you're going to gain, okay. Either money or something, but you're going to gain something, because Venus is in the 11th house of desires. Also, your desires and wishes will come true this month, from the 1st till 15th. On the 15th, we have Mercury Mars Sun conjunction in the 10th house. Same, Sun is in the 10th house, Mercury being there. Definitely lot of intelligence is going to come in your work area, in your career. Lot of intelligence. You're going to shine brightly. Everyone at your work, your employees, your colleagues, everyone will see your shine, and they'll be guided very effectively. Any obstacle if any obstacle comes also, you can overcome it. And Moon being in the 2nd house, there will be fluctuations in your finances, okay. But Jupiter being there, definitely it's going to protect some of the fluctuations, but things will be unexpected sometimes, either at your career or financial situations. Some unexpected spending will be there, because Moon is all about fluctuations, up and down. So this will happen on 15th. So unexpected fluctuations, unexpected spending of money will definitely happen for you. But whatever fluctuations will happen, it's fine in the long term, because Jupiter being there, it's going to give you money. Whatever necessary money is required, it will give you at that time. So that's all I have for your astrological reading, guys. Let's look into the tarot. See, we have a stopper, which is art card, okay. So even though I shuffle, it's gonna make no difference. We have art coming in the center. I saw this in the pre-shuffle, indolence actually. We have gain. We have Ace of Discs. we have success, we have cruelty, ace of swords, we have wealth, queen of discs, prince of discs, the tower major arcana, the empress major arcana, the hangman major arcana, swiftness, strength. So you can see a lot of major arcanas in every in aspect, especially in the psychological, but rest all there is major arcana. So this is a major month. Okay. Last month may not be major, but this month definitely will be major, because in the background there is a major arcana. So let's get into your reading. Alright guys, welcome back. So in this situation we have art, major arcana, indolence and gain. So there was a stopper, as you saw, and art came out in the center of the reading right now. So it is saying that the situation is very definitely up and down. Okay, there is a lot of emphasis on weighing the scales, what is necessary and what is not. And indolence also, it is saying that things are clouded, things are quite confused. Okay, but there is hope. Okay, there is hope. I feel like initially there is a lot of confusion. What's going to happen? It's going to turn out good, it's going to turn out bad. There is a lot of confusion. Most of the time you see the negative. It's very hard to see the positive. So in the long term, whatever happens, it's going to happen good, but still there is some tendency towards not knowing what's going to happen. There is some confusion, there is some frustration, how it's going to turn out. It's going to turn out good or it's going to turn bad. Will you gain some profit out of it? So these kind of things, it's almost like you start cooking some new recipe, and until the recipe is finished you don't know how it's going to taste. Same thing, there is some unknowingness. The unknown is definitely there in the situation, but whatever unknown you are trying to find, it's quite creative. It is out of the ordinary. It's quite unorthodox way of doing it, is what I am seeing. And there is definitely multiple personalities of things popping out with the heart card. It's very creative. So that is the situation for you. Let's look into current path, what you're going to do, what you're doing. We have ace of discs, wealth and the empress. So definitely you're trying to save money. You want to make more money, you want to save more money. This is what you have in your mind, so that you can live a comfortable life with the empress card, and experience more of life. Okay, so I feel like the reason for you to save money and gain money is that you want to experience a comfortable life. You want to experience even more what life has to offer. For that, money is definitely necessary for achieving experiencing good life. So you want to make more money, you want to save a lot of money and gain a lot of wealth. That is what I'm trying to look at. That is your current path. Also your mind is all about that. This month your mind is all about how can I save more money, so stuff like that. Let's look at alternate path. We have the hangman, major arcana, queen of discs, court card and success, six of discs. So alternate path is telling gain enlightenment with the hangman. Take things slow, gain enlightenment. Also look at things differently, look at things unorthodoxly. That is the reason why in the situation we got art card. The reason why you got art card is that your alternate path is to look at things very creatively, in an unorthodox manner. You have to see things in a different light, and you have to see the world differently, and you have to find in different and creative ways on how you can go forward. Okay, sometimes it's going to be very impossible, but definitely things are possible. Okay, things can definitely flip and turn. Okay, so you have to be very creative, be bold, be unafraid, go beyond the logic sense. Okay, you can definitely have success in whatever you wanting to. Okay, that is what universe is trying to say. Also, there is definitely travel indicated with the Queen of Discs. You can see wanting to travel and wanting to experience is definitely there, but you want to take things slow also. This is what I'm seeing, and you want everything, the travel and everything, to be successful as well. So alternate path is trying to say that, definitely travel. Okay, first and foremost, plan ahead. If you're traveling, then everything will be successful. Also, look at yourself as a successful person. Okay, that is what universe is trying to say. And look at things differently, look at things creatively in whatever you want to achieve. So a lot of complex messages, but definitely take it how it resonates for you. Let's look into psychological basis. We have swiftness, knight, prince of swords, cruelty. So in the background, as I said before, previous months is not that great for you. It was not that good. Possibly you possibly worked very hard, you put in your effort, but you may not got your result. You have tried a lot of things, but you may not gotten the result that you wanted to. But I feel like this month those opportunities will definitely pop out, but this time you have to change the way you move. You have to not move the way you did before. This time make a little bit change. Definitely this change again, it's might be little hard, but definitely you will definitely get the results some or the other way. Okay, may not be a big achievement, but definitely some kind of good recognition and achievement will be there. Okay, also networking and connecting with people is good. Spending good time with people is good, and gaining knowledge from people, also from everyone, is very, very good. And that's the psychological basis. Let's look into the karma. We have Ace of Swords, the Tower, and Strength. So Tower, major arcana coming in karma, is that definitely some kind of transformation is happening. Something is definitely ending, a new beginning is going to start. Okay, especially with the Ace of Swords energy, definitely something new is going to start. It's going to improve your mind, your concentration power. It's going to improve. It's going to be very peaceful. You feel like you have won something in life. You have won whatever desire you have. So I feel like a lot of wish fulfillment will happen this month. Okay, whatever you wished, it's going to happen. But you'll feel like whether it's going to happen or not. Don't keep any of that negativity. Definitely whatever you wish will definitely happen. So initially there'll be confusion whether it's going to happen or not, but definitely Ace of Swords being there, it is karma, it will definitely happen. Okay, you don't have to worry about anything. And Tower, definitely things will change. Okay, whatever negative energy was there in the past, this time it will come to light, and you will understand where things are going wrong, and you will make the changes. Okay, I feel like in the past also you have tried, but things failed. That's because you didn't know where things were going wrong. But this time the things will come to light. Okay, and with the Strength card, yeah, same thing. Yeah, and with the Strength card, your karma is to actually do things differently this time. Okay, a lot of emphasis on doing the same thing. I feel like you want to follow the same procedure, okay, which you did in the past, especially the Prince of Swords. But yeah, exactly. If you look into the alternate path, also I said a lot of complex messages, but if you look into the alternate path, you'll be guided. You have to be in the hangman position. That is what it is required. And it's very strange, the people who design tarot, yeah, it's very fortunate. I'm very grateful, and I'm very happy for whoever designed tarot, is that every element what they included, they didn't miss out at anything. They included each and every element and every part of life. The hangman is necessary this time, because you have to stop doing the same old way. You need to stop and look at things in a different way. If you look at last 5 minutes, what I just told is all about that creativity. This month, in the month of October, if I have to say one word, it's all about creativity. Okay, whatever you do, no matter what it is, whatever you do, you have to be creative. You try to do things differently, not the same thing. And if suppose in case things are working out, then you don't have to change anything. But if things are definitely not working out, look at things creatively. Don't follow the same thing. You know, there'll be deep desire to follow the same thing because you believe in something, you believe someone said to you, or something, or you strongly believe in yourself that you need to follow this, even though if it's not working out, you need to do it. But I feel like you have to be brave enough, you have to be bold enough to try out new things. Okay. And sometimes this, you know, again this confusion will start whether it's going to work out if I do differently. And that's the reason why you need to, you know, become in the hangman position. You need to take your time, plan ahead very clearly, and you will get that spark, like, yeah, this new thing will work out. You know, when this happens, then definitely everything will be fine. But you know, this hangman is definitely required. You know, this enlightenment, after seeing things in a different perspective. You can see bat will hang upside down, because a bat is all about creativity. It doesn't have eyes to see, it uses its sound to maneuver objects. So bat always, you know, its universal secret is all about hanging upside down, so that it can gain things in a different perspective. That's why it hangs upside down. And with the hangman, that is the same concept. Okay. So, you know, hangman is definitely necessary. You know, being in that hangman position is definitely necessary this month. But the word is all about creativity. If you keep in mind the word creativity, definitely you'll become the hangman. Okay. And things will go, you know, everything will go according to your favor. That's all I have for you, Sagittarius. Everything is definitely favorable. Initially there is a friction and confusion. What's going to happen? As I just mentioned, an example to keep in mind is that when you're cooking a new recipe, you don't know how it turns out unless the recipe is finished. But while cooking, that frustration will be there, how it's going to turn out. But you know, you need to keep in the belief and positivity, and make sure every step you take is right, and just hope that everything will be fine. And that's what is necessary this time. But try to do creatively. You know, try on that new recipe or something. You know, just a vague example. Until then, I'll catch you guys next one. Thank you guys for some more support, and thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified. This is an amazing channel, and a lot of value is going to be provided to you over the long run. And initially, from the day I started tarot reading until now, a lot of improvements have been made, and consciously and continuously I'm thinking and renovating my videos and how to make it better. And your advice and information is also very valuable for me, and I'd be grateful if you advise in the comments down below and how you think about this channel and how you felt about this video. Also check out my special videos and other playlists in my channel, and yeah, stay updated via like that by clicking on the bell icon. You can check out my business card. I offer services for tarot reading, astrological reading, life coaching, and daily readings. You can find my social media links in the business card, or also in the description box. If you go, you can find my social media links there also. You can also join my channel by clicking on the join button next to the subscribe button. By clicking on that, you can see you'll go to a page where you'll find the membership perks. So accordingly, you can choose your membership perks and join the channel. Until then, I'll catch you guys the next one. Thank you guys for so much support, and thanks for watching, and thank you.